Croeso nôl unwaith eto i'r podlediad. Welcome back once again to the podcast. Cyhoeddi enw dyn 102 oed a fw farw ar ôl ymosodiad honedig mewn tafarn. The name of a 102-year-old man who died after an alleged attack in a pub has been published. Cyfres, pedwar a phennod rhif 300 cant a phump. Series phone, episode number 355. Lluniau. Pictures. So, unfortunately, the guy I mentioned in the news yesterday, yesterday's podcast, has died. So, the alleged attack has led to an actual death, which is rather crap. Moving on. Heddiw dydd Iau, today's Thursday, y 30 o Awst 2026. The 13th of August 2026. Ac mae hi'n 1 munud ar 20 wedi 10 o'r hwyr. O, ac mae hi'n 1 funud ar 20 wedi 10 o'r hwyr. And it is 21 minutes past 10 p.m. A link there to one of the pictures. Today is a phone box in Dolgellau. It's a listed building. I think it was put there by Cadw, like a preservation group. And this phone box works and it's lit up and it looks cool and it's a listed building. So I took a picture of it. I was excited to see one that worked. I've seen them in people's gardens and other places and turned into other sort of things. But I hadn't seen them working as a modern phone box. And this one was. So I was quite excited. But then I took a picture. It was a bit blurry. But then I found out after it's a listed building. So it's in the pictures today. So I got told off by the dragon yesterday, if you remember. That's in today's lesson again. In the comic. So the dragon sort of pulled me up for not having enough images in my lessons. So today I have. And there's another link there for the news item. The sad case of the old man who died. And then the comic, and then some pictures. So there's one there of my mum's dog, and then there's a descriptive sentence for each picture. There's 7 pictures. And then you can put your own descriptions in as well. So, dyma cariad, ci fy mam. This is Cariad, my mum's dog. And you'll see underneath there's some other descriptions. You can just put a phrase like cute dog, cute. You can put a full sentence, or you can just put a word. The idea is to put the Welsh and then the English as well. And that other people can see your sentence or phrase or word that you've put in as well then. So, cute dog, mae'r llun yn dda. The picture is good. Yesterday we had in the lesson the word delweddau, which is images, and we also had photographau, photographs. Today's episode is called lluniau, which means pictures. So that can be photographs as well. So lluniau, photographau, delweddau, all similar words. A picture there I've made from an image of my dog. My mum's dog, by sewing different pieces onto a shopping bag design thing. And that's the second picture. It's mi wnaeth a bag shopper yma. I made this shopping bag. Yeah, in one of the Mentoriaeth Club Creft language initiative craft club. There's different things that Mentoriaeth put on to activities for people, and you pick up a bit of Welsh. And this one was doing some sewing, so we made a designer bag. Anyway, moving on. Next picture is of an owl, and it says, "Mae llawr yn dechrau ar Duolingo." Many start on Duolingo. And then another one there is my tyllianod yn brydferth. Owls are beautiful. Picture of me. Well, me, you can't see me on it, but I'm on the boat taking the picture. on the canal. Pawb ar fwrdd, all aboard. Mae'r gamlas yn dawel. The canal is quiet. And the phone box picture, a bit blurry, but I like it, it's all lit up. Mae'r blwch ffôn hwn yn Nolgellau yn gweithio ac mae'n adeilad rhestredig. The Dolgellau phone box, this Dolgellau phone box works and is a listed building. So I took a picture of that when I was at Session Fawr, the big folk festival. It's not just folk really though, but there's a theme underneath it, folk. Mainly because people sat as folk musicians and in sessions, so it's called Session Fawr, which is like an extension of people all sitting around in circles. There's loads of it going on in different venues, and then there's proper gigs on and people playing in the street and busking as well. So, but there's all different types of music, not just folk. Right, then there's a picture of stained glass windows from Chester, and it says, "Need eich ffenestr gyffredin." Not your average window, or not your ordinary window. Then there's a picture of a shed. It says, "Dywedodd hi fod rhywbeth yn y shed bren." She said, "There's something in the woodshed." And the phrase underneath is, "Shed newydd," new shed. So there are the 7 pictures for today. And then there's quiz questions on them. Some of them are like, pa rhan o'r ci sy'n cael ei dangos fel triongl fluid? I won't translate that for you. You have to come and do these for yourself, but I'm going to read some out. Faint o ffenestri gwydr lliw mawr allwch chi ei gweld? Faint o ffenestri gwydr lliw mawr allwch chi ei gweld? It's asking you how many of something.
Gweld.
Pa item yn y llun sy'n las? You have to see the pictures, obviously. Just see some of these colours and things. Pa liw yw'r kiosg ffôn? Pa liw yw llygaid y dillian? Beth yw prif liw'r ci? Liw'r ci. And that's it. Just little questions like that. The multiple choice. You go on and it'll tell you if they're right or wrong with a colour, green or red. And go around them and round them as much as you want. These are the words out of today's lesson from Bits and Bobs. Cute is cute, smart. Tyllianod, owls. Brydferth, beautiful, soft mutation of prydferth. Nolgellau, yeah, that's Dolgellau, and that's the nasal mutation of Dolgellau. Rhestredig, listed. Rhestredig, listed. Shed is shed. Bren is wood, soft mutation of pren. Bren.
Pren.
Shorty, sorry. Bren, wood, soft mutation of pren. Kiosk. Liw, colour, soft mutation of liw. Item. Nre Celyn is Tre Celyn, or Newbridge in English. Soft mutation of Tre Celyn. Caerphilly is Caerphilly. Cariad is love or lover, aspect mutation of cariad. Lathrov, I can't even say that. Lathrov. He, she, or it killed. Soft mutation of Llathrov. Oh, no R in it. That's why I'm getting it wrong. Laddodd. He, she, or it killed. Submutation of laddodd. Struggles with doing a few of them sounds in one word. The double D. Gwrthdrawiad. Collision, crash, impact, conflict, disagreement. Anafiadau. Injuries. Plural of anaf. Gynnau. Light, switch on, soft mutation of cynnau.
Cynnau. Cynnal. Gynnau. Gynnau.
Fwriadol, intentional, deliberate, soft mutation of bwriadol. Safle, location, site, position, rank, standing. Honedig, alleged, purported. Is that how you pronounce that? Purported. Alleged. That's that. Some news items. Tan mawr yn dynistio nifer o gartrefi yn Reycelyn, Sir Caerphilly. A large fire destroys a number of homes in Reycelyn, Caerphillyshire. Dynes yn dweud mai chariad oedd yn berchen ar gi a laddodd ei dad. A woman says her boyfriend owned a dog that killed her father, his father. Yeah, must be his father. It'd be a thad if it was hers. Yeah. Gwrwr beic modwr wedi marw mewn gwrthdrawiad yn Mowys. A motorbike driver has died in a collision in Powys. Gwrthdrawiad, that's like the panas of S4C News. So panas is parsnips, and you get a lot of it on Duolingo. It seems to be the most common word on Duolingo. And gwrthdrawiad seems to be the most common word on S4C News, because there's collisions every other news items. When they say collision, it means someone's been killed on a motorbike or on a bend by somebody, probably to overtaking when they shouldn't be. I don't know. But a lot of it is not good. Right, moving on. Dyn ifanc o'r gogledd wedi dioddef anafiadau difrifol mewn damwain yn China. A young man from the north has suffered serious injuries in an accident in China. Tân wedi gynnau'n fwriadol ar safle glanio ofrenydd mewn ysbyty. A fire deliberately lit at a hospital helicopter landing site. What the heck? Right then, what else have we got? We got a rap in a song, or not really a song, just a bit of a rap. And some drums and bits and bobs to go with the rap. It's from, it started off it being about the fact that someone's decided to learn Welsh and then do a comic, and then and then do it we've done it as a lesson. So it's based upon that, really. So it's Dyn Cartoon o Swydd Efrog, cartoon man from Yorkshire. A fi nawr yn Rhoslan y Chrigog, and me now in Rhoslan y Chrigog. Rydym wedi croesi llwybrau. We've crossed paths. Lle rhwng geiriau a lluniau. A place between words and pictures. Lle mae celf yn cwrdd ag iaith. Where art meets language. Ffuglen fel mater or ffaith. Fiction as a matter of fact. Gwrando a dysgu, gweld a gwneud. Listen and learn, see and do. Dal yw gymysgu o'r hyn rwy'n ei ddweud. Keeping keep mixing it up is what I say. That's the song, and here it is. Bye. Dyn cartoon o swydd Efrog, a fi nawr yn rwslan y chrigog, rydym wedi croesi llwybrau lle rhwng geiriau y lluniau, lle mae celf yn cwrdd ag iaith, ffuglen fel mater o ffaith, gwrando a dysgu, gweld a gwneud, delw gymysgu yw'r hyn rwy'n i ddweud.